Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Vibes with Valencia, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I decorated my porch for the springtime. So if you would like to see how it turned out, please keep watching guys, and please make sure that you guys subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I purchased two rocking chairs from Walmart, and it was $97 per rocking chair. And as you guys can see, this is the main stain white wooden rocking chair. And guys, I searched the Facebook Marketplace, I searched OfferUp, I searched Goodwill to see if I could find a rocking chair that was cheaper than $97, but I could not find anything whatsoever. So I just went ahead and did the big purchase. So this rocking chair, it was so easy to put together. It took about 30 minutes per rocking chair, and it was so easy that I let my mom did it, and she was having a good time putting it together. Like I said, it was so easy to put together. So now we're just basically sweeping all of the pollen or dust that we might have in front of our doorway. We want to make sure that before we put anything down in front of the porch, we just have it nice. But why she gotta throw the mat on the floor? The mat deserves love too, sis. Come on now. But she's just basically sweeping the door, sweeping the pollen from in front of the door, because we live in Atlanta and the pollen count in Atlanta is so high. Rocking chair, they are extremely lightweight, so we didn't need my husband to lift the chair for this moment. Probably next time you guys might see him, but not this time. Now we're going in with this little side table. I got this one here from At Home, and it was for $59, and I just love how it looks. I love the design on top of it. It's just a beautiful piece. Next, we're putting on these red throw pillows, and I also purchased these from At Home. And guys, I will leave all of the information where you could purchase these items in the description box below. So I purchased this wreath holder for $4.99. It have the word welcome at the bottom of it, and I really like that, along with this wreath, and it was for $12.99. It had one that was a little bit bigger, but I opted to go with the smaller one for $12.99. I just love the color of it. It's just so nice and vibrant, to add a nice pop of color to the front of my house. And at first I didn't want to put the wreath on the door because I just didn't really want it to, but then I said to myself, if I put my last name, then everybody will be able to find me, because my last name is not a common last name. Thanks, shout out to my husband, So now we have my mom putting back the mat, and I know I should have opted to put a pop of color mat, but I just wanted to just keep it simple and tone it down a little bit. And now these right here is just some basically fake yellow flowers. Sometimes you gotta fake it, but because I'm not with the watering of the plants. But this is what it looks like, guys. This is how everything turned out. Just something that's very simple. I didn't spend too much money on top of this decor, and I didn't want it to go overboard with the decor as well. This is how everything looks. Hopefully you guys like this small cute little porch decor video, guys. So there you have it. So what do you guys think about my cute little springtime porch decoration? Not bad, huh? Leave a comment down below so you guys could let me know how you think about this video. How did everything turn out? But honestly guys, I would really like to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and to all of my older subscribers, thank you for rocking with me. I really appreciate it. Make sure that you guys turn on your notification bell button so that you can get notified every time that I send a video. Make sure that you guys share this video and give it a thumbs up. Until next time guys, I will see you in the next video. Stay blessed and have a great one.